I'm going to show you a very common problem that we get called out to. Loose switch plates or socket covers. As you can see, this one rattles from side to side. Just with a small flat-headed screwdriver you can nip up the screws on either side. Don't over tighten them, just enough to hold. And you can see that's tightened the switch plate up nicely. If the screw doesn't tighten and it just keeps turning in the hole, we need to come out and replace the patch behind. Just give the customer service centre a call and they will book a job for you.